I say, first of all, I'm Nanapia. This is a Champions League format now. A new format now. And the new format no. A PSG pena etimiye Champions League. But Oshe Champions League so far traditional teams now as a format necessary no. Traditional teams ni huso. And how was this a format na ye no? Anything from anywhere betimi aba be wini because of how was this a format na ye. And this year we have finalists na as the pod any PSG who say PSG ekura the best attack. Omo the best attack in Europe as at right now. And now Arsenal and so the best and so we defending. In this year between an attacking team and a defending team. In this year no yereshe how our final no ebe kwafa. Say push me to the wall. The pod. PSG team no was slow. But when you look at the kind of defending Arsenal a defender, I will go for Arsenal. Because a year is similar to 2012 Chelsea Bayern Munich Champions League final. We say Bayern will be beer was all mutimi wini, but they do a chino na Chelsea mom na fa ho aba be wini. So if you push me to the wall, I will tip Arsenal to win this year's Champions League. Not really, because na me she team it say Man City, Barcelona, Liverpool. At least Liverpool po do beka say bia no one form ne e wo down kakra. But when you look at Barcelona, you look at Bayern Munich, you look at Real Madrid after so mu eliminate Man City now, then you sit down and you ask yourself, say, so what went wrong for this teams? But as a new format, no, as a PSG na say no, when format nebo. So I think say teams they need to be in the final one qualifier woho sisiano. Okay, to me the mefa Bodo Glimt, because Bodo Glimt ye team here obia and who on say they can even qualify from the league table. Say bia will be fimu because na oka teams will be fimu o the one be can be. But once when film because we share Sporting, we share Atletico Madrid. We share big teams be we share PSG. Inti o tenase na we share team mi sa wetimi aba Europe from nowhere no wetimi be pull this kind of surprises what in China one kasa kran ebe wanije cause we share teams be a film in the group stage and I say be in the league log no we share teams be a film team it say na pod o man timi an qualify like ebe ye onwa na Bodo Glimt timi qualify it was really shocking. Inti me de mete pe Bodo Glimt omo no omo shocking me club we disappointing me de to me Man City two teams Man City and Barcelona so two teams no one are so far I say but me blame won be because season bia na emu nsem fine we call Barcelona we be catch you no one players ni be pra but eno ye excuse but two teams ne de nanka me present nka one year the crowd anka one semi final be de nka on betimi adu nti two teams ne de at least wo ma men say see form mefa Kvaratskhelia mefa PSG Kvaratskhelia this season wa bobo pa this season wa bobo but for player no ono but oshe team me to say Arsenal ubetimi enyu obi to say Saliba and Gabriel Magalhaes this season the kind of defending as young guys so two guys no omo defend ya Arsenal aside from almost 14 matches are conceded 6 goals like it's incredible one inti our players and so but omo den onse omo ye two no but to for be to say Kvaratskhelia the kind of footballer the guy is playing is so marvelous. Mefa Paris Saint-Germain ni Bayern Munich semi-final match no. Both home and away no. So 2 matches ni. Especially the first leg na 5-4 no. And no me choose say match of the tournament. Fine almost more final ni but so far no. And no match masha me say match ne ejina so pa. Say Barca no. Players are yesheshe ni yensan kan because of the financial fair play. We have to sell some players in order to attain others. But this year no, wage bill no, I will say ye be no so. This year no, speculations ne say Lewandowski beko onko because now say by say what per se what on Rafinha, but rumors we don't know to the extent the trueness of that particular news no how it. So we are yet to see say obekwa na say onko, but we need a striker. Barcelona we need a striker and a defender. That is the only problem at Barcelona. And I be say yebenya left winger back so say yentimi ansane Marcus Rashford ni yebenya left winger back so aba be replacing. I think say we are good to go. Oh, Luis Enrique, after Champions League, he is here to defend it. But Mede Mefa Ateta, fine. Obi beka se baby Ateta namno. Excuse me to say, baby onya no na as a cheap side kakra. But football no, fine. Ebetimi a cheap side, but ebi a wonko ebedu so no, untimi nkwa nkoshe. Inti no mimi hune say so far Teta adwuma wa de ohia basobo because to play 14 matches and concede 6 goals and then go all the way to the finals no I will take Teta say wa bo no more than 1 year. But fine me a Barcelona fan but mefa Barcelona ni Atletico because so share ball Barcelona boy against Atletico went me wini na wodi film na anokwa na yawo. But one so Atletico for no so no one so deserve say one so will be qualify and so ewo honom. Dembele of PSG, Dembele betimi decide this game no. Kvaratskhelia, but this season the player over form Kvaratskhelia. Ono any obi a metepen ewo PSG say obetimi make the difference. Not forgetting about Vitinha no money. Dembele and a desired way. They can all pull a surprise. But this season, PSG player over form Kvaratskhelia and to no metepen. But on the other hand, no, Oko Arsenal so Declan Rice. Me so me tipi Declan Rice say obetimi aboa Arsenal ma Arsenal so etimi a left trophy and so ewo honom. I will tip Arsenal to win 1-0 or 2-1 against Paris Saint-Germain. Of course, Julian Alvarez because this year striker ni here. Barcelona is very in need of a striker. Inti mede obi ebisa ma Julian Alvarez na makers because ono na style of play no suit Barcelona and oko Argentina kra na old players bi to say Messi no ne Di Maria mono omo di aba betu dwadase nka ebe one day say Julian Alvarez kra no ebobo Barcelona because ne style of play no suit Barcelona more and so ewo honom nti nka me do bisa ma Julian Alvarez ni player ka me person ka Barcelona photo na anka ebe me de pa. So far Kvaratskhelia ewo form senior mekan this season why adwuma no but nka me di Declan Rice na me de be man because this season fit time Arsenal turn from last season no the former Declan Rice said ya ba Arsenal no un say was through ne form ne was through pa think I made the player of the tournament Arsenal win here can make cast one farmer Declan Rice member on bear 6 because this season more than money was form o share controversies SCC Barcelona game against Atletico against Arsenal Bayern Munich against Paris Saint-Germain second leg na controversies be brain SCC but me ubisa me a make me ma on more than 6 because more than one were form